In a fire, smoke kills, not flames. Smoke inhalation causes up to 80% of fire fatalities. Alarms detect smoke, but they don't remove it. When firefighters arrive, one of their first actions is vertical ventilation, cutting openings to release smoke, toxic gases, and heat. So why don't building windows and skylights do this automatically? Smart Smoke Vent Frame is a patented smoke-activated frame that automatically opens when smoke is detected, venting danger early. One technology, multiple product categories. Smart Smoke delivers a premium safety upgrade, preserving your existing window design and integrating without changes to your core manufacturing process. Each unit features an integrated smoke alarm and sensor system, powered by a single 9-volt battery. It includes a manual trip with built-in override and reset tab, allowing the unit to be safely returned to position after activation. Fully resettable with no breakaway parts and no replacement cycle. Upgrade your window offering with built-in safety. Smart Smoke Vent Frame, a new category in integrated fire protection.